Good morning, this is News Headlines, live from Wisdom Yard Television. I am Toyosi Adeshino. The headlines. IMF cautions federal government against CBN Act amendment. Senate reps move against implementation of cybersecurity levy. Emefiele, I was pressured to over $600,000 bribe witness test court. Now the news in details. The International Monetary Fund (IMF) has cautioned the federal government against the proposed amendment of the Act establishing the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN), calling rather for the strengthening of the Apex Bank. The position of the fund was contained in the Article 4 Staff Consultation Report of the Board of Governors of the Global Organization, which was released in Washington yesterday. The Executive Board of the IMF met on the 29th of last month to conclude the Article 4 consultation with Nigeria, following the staff report of their mission to the country, where they held discussions with the authorities between February 12, 2023 to 2024 in Lagos, Abuja. According to the fund, Nigeria under its new administration has set out an ambitious reform path to restore macroeconomic stability and support inclusive growth. The two arms of the National Assembly, the Senate and House of Representatives yesterday disagreed on the property of the 0.5% cybersecurity levy introduced by the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN). The disagreement came on a day Northern Elders Forum (NEF), a prominent socio-cultural organization representing the interests of the North, strongly condemned the Apex Bank's decision to impose the levy on bank customers. While the Senate said there was nothing wrong with the levy as both arms passed into the law, House of Representatives asked the CBN to suspend its implementation following public outcry that has trailed it. The Senate contended that the cybersecurity levy came into being through a collaborative effort that involved the National Assembly's ICT and Cybersecurity Committee and a transparent public hearing process with contributions from various stakeholders. According to the Senate, both arms of the National Assembly unanimously passed it before President Bola Tinubu signed it into law. It also argued that the levy was not punitive but aimed at protecting national security and the economy. Chairman of the Senate Committee on National Security and Intelligence, Senator Shehu Umar Buba, APC Bauchi South, who addressed the controversy surrounding the proposed implementation of the cybersecurity levy by the CBN yesterday, said that the levy was provided for in the Cybercrimes Prohibition, Prevention, etc. Amendment Act 2024. Senator Buba noted that the provisions of the cybersecurity levy have been in place since 2015 but were delayed due to unclear interpretations and applications. He, however, clarified that the levy was not punitive as it had numerous exemptions to protect and relieve ordinary citizens, particularly the poor. According to him, the exemptions include salary payments, intra-account transfers, loan disbursements and repayments, and other financial transactions. The prosecution witnessed Victor Onyejawa in the ongoing trial of the former governor of Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, Godwin Emefiele, yesterday, narrated before the Lagos State Special Offences Court sitting in Ikeja how he was pressured to pay $600,000 for the award of a contract. Emefiele and his co-defendant Enrio Moile are currently facing trial on a 26-count charge. Meanwhile, Justice Rahman Oshodi granted the request by Emefiele's counsel Olalekan Ojo's son to file a notice of leave to appeal his decision at the appeal court, deferring ruling on the court jurisdiction to hear the matter. Emefiele's legal counsel insists that the Ikeja High Court lacks the jurisdiction to hear the matter as it borders on foreign exchange, which is in the exclusive list in the Constitution. Before the news comes to an end, listen to the headlines once again. IMF cautions federal government CBN Act amendment. Senate reps move against implementation of cybersecurity levy. Emefiele, I was pressured to offer $600,000 bribe witness test court. Thank you for listening. I am Toyosi Adeshino.